Founded nearly 190 years ago in the four river regions where the Ohio, Tennessee, Mississippi, and Cumberland rivers come together, Paducah, Kentucky is a vital commerce and arts community made up of a warm and generous people.
My name is Brandi Harless, and I'm the mayor of Paducah. I actually grew up, my family was from the city of Paducah. My grandmother and my grandfather owned a small business, a mobile home parts store over on Carroll Road. And my mom and my dad divorced when I was 2, so one went to Ballard County and the other went to Marshall County. So I was kind of a regional Paducah girl for growing up. But I ended up taking a stop in Murray. I went to Murray State University my freshman year of college, and then I transferred down to Vanderbilt for my undergraduate degree. And then I went to Boston for grad school and DC for work, and then I accidentally moved home in 2009. So after I accidentally moved home, I started finding organizations in Paducah that really mattered to me that I didn't know existed before I left. So a federally qualified health center had been talked about in our community for decades, but the learning curve of how to pull that off was so steep that no one really could ever get it started. And so for me, it was important to find an organization that already was doing that and already understood how, and then to partner with them. I would say that KentuckyCare is a very community-based organization. It's an organization that is paying attention to the community around them, that is able to service a wide range of patients. To me, that was one of the biggest opportunities that KentuckyCare brought to Paducah, was the diversity of offerings, but also the focus on no patient left behind, I guess you would say, that we weren't going to leave our most vulnerable out to dry when it came to healthcare.
I'm Dr. David Smith. I'm a family physician at KentuckyCare. The best thing about Paducah, I think, are the people. The people are just so friendly, welcoming. But to tell you the truth, the biggest thing that I love about Paducah is I feel at home here. I think KentuckyCare is a godsend to the community. Historically, we've had a large underserved population. And when KentuckyCare came, the other physicians, the hospitals have embraced us with open arms because we serve a need that has been lacking in this area. And they've supported us in every way that we could ask. The gratification and the smiles and the thank yous that I get on a daily basis just show that these people in some ways have been neglected for years, and they love having a medical home where they can say that they have a physician that they can count on, that they can call, that they can get medical care from.
Well, when I first moved to Paducah, I had this big question of, could I really enjoy my time in Paducah? I met the staff of KentuckyCare, and I knew that the kind of people they were, okay? So I knew, okay, these are my people, if you will. I knew the mission of the organization, Health for All. I thought, yes, that rings true for me. But I had questions about Paducah, because as you move to a new town, you don't know. But here's what I found out. They're welcoming, they're giving, they share of their lives. They'll take somebody like me who's from out of town, out of state, and embrace them and say, this is who we are, and there's not a lot of walls. So my favorite part of Paducah would be the people.
A generous and giving nature is at the heart of the Paducah community, and KentuckyCare is privileged to serve among them. We're KentuckyCare, and we're here for you.